Hello, my name is Yasmin Garcia Hernandez and I will be talking about steel frame construction. The main focus will be on steel bridges. In terms of aesthetics and appeals, steel is very versatile, very durable. Its low cost made it an easy choice for large and small construction crews and projects. Steel bridges can be made to look light or heavy and can be sculptured to any shape or form. The high surface quality of steel creates clean, sharp lines and allows attention to detail. The painting of steelwork introduces color and contrast, and repainting can change or refresh the appearance of the bridge to appear as new. And since it's very durable and it has such a high strength, it can extend into long distances, much longer than bridges that are made out of stone or wood. In terms of functionality, steel materials used in steel bridges are steel crane mats, overhang brackets, and girders. These are just three examples. Steel crane mats are members assembled in sections beneath the crane to provide a level sound base to support the crane during lifting operations. Overhang brackets, steel brackets, they consist of three steel members connected in a triangular shape that are suspended from the top flange and supported by the girder web. They are typically used to support deck forms in the area beyond the edges of the fascia girders. A girder is a support beam used in construction. Obviously, it is the main horizontal support of a structure which supports smaller beams. When it comes to structural integrity and durability, steel bridges have a lifespan of over 100 years. An example of a still standing bridge is the Forth Rail Bridge in Scotland, which was built in 1890. So it's surpassed 100 years already, and it was a major achievement in construction engineering because of that. When it comes to corrosion, it rarely compromises the structural integrity of a bridge. If any problems related to structural steel, like corrosion, it can be swiftly addressed by repainting the affected areas. Therefore, steel bridges are readily adaptable when it comes to these sorts of changes. When it comes to reactions and relationships, steel bridges can withstand high winds, heavy snow loads, fire and seismic activities combined with their resistance to pests and decay. Though it is non-combustible, it starts to lose strength when heated above 400 Celsius or 750 Fahrenheit. And one of the main concerns when it comes to steel, it can undergo galvanic corrosion, which is when carbon fiber-based composite materials are bonded to steel. And in order to prevent this, the surface of the steel must be prepared by sandblasting the surface and applying a cleaning solvent. With composite materials, several laboratory studies suggested at the University of Delaware that carbon fiber reinforced polymer plates can be used to effectively strengthen steel bridge girders. It focused on many issues, including force transfer and development, fatigue, durability of the steel bond, and methods for preventing corrosion between carbon fiber reinforced polymer plates and the steel. And here are my sources. Thank you very much.